watching me on Femina.in. Today I'm going to teach you how to make 5 summer drinks. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Femina.
The first step for making the apple iced tea is, in a pan, add water, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, tea leaves and sugar. Let it simmer on a low flame for 10 to 15 minutes till the sugar dissolves and the water is flavored with the spices. Now switch off the flame and let the tea steep for 3 to 4 minutes. Strain the mixture well and let it cool completely. Once it's cool, add the apple juice and mix it well. You can adjust the amount of apple juice as required according to your taste. Chill it in the refrigerator for a few hours, garnish the drink with apple slices and mint leaves and serve it chilled. For the kiwi cooler, place the kiwi, lemon juice, mint leaves and honey in a high-speed blender. Blend the mixture until smooth and pour it in a glass. Now top the mixture with sparkling water or kombucha and garnish it with mint leaves or extra kiwi. For the mango mojito, muddle the mango, mint leaves, lemon juice, lemon slices and sugar in a glass. Once the flavor is released, add in a few cubes of ice and top it up with sparkling water. You can garnish the drink with a few mango chunks and mint leaves and give it a nice mix and serve it chilled. For the blueberry, lime and mint cooler, in a tall glass, muddle the blueberries, mint leaves and honey to release the flavor. Once you've done this, add in the lemon juice and mix it well. Add in a few cubes of ice and top it up with water or your favorite sparkling water. Stir it gently and serve chilled. For the strawberry and cucumber cooler, muddle the strawberries, cucumber, sugar and lemon juice in a tall glass. Now add in a few cubes of ice and top it up with sparkling water and give it a nice mix. You can garnish it with mint leaves and cucumber and serve it chilled.